to be showing you everything that you need to wear while you're driving a race car. First thing is a 2-minute fire suit. This is in case you get in a fire, you have 10 to 15 seconds to get out of the car. Second thing is arm restraint. So if you ever flip in the car, your arms don't go flying out. Third thing is a head and neck restraint. So this is so if you ever flip in the car, your head doesn't move around. This is a helmet to protect your head in case you crash. The fifth thing is fireproof gloves, so in case if your car ever starts on fire, you don't burn your hands. Sixth thing is that this is a receiver, which is a one-way radio to the officials. I wear earbuds so I can hear. Sixth thing is fireproof shoes, so if I ever get in a fire, my feet don't get burnt, and they're thin soles so I can feel the pedals easier. Probably the most important thing in the car is the seat, also known as a full containment seat. It has a head, shoulder, rib, and leg restraint, along with a 5-point harness, which also hooks into the head and neck restraint, so your neck doesn't move around when you're driving the car. Let's put it all together. Okay, let's go run some laps.